Hi, it's Mary from Devitt Machinery, here to let you know that we have Waylock II, the adhesive used to install the Turkite B, which we talk about all the time here at Devitt Machinery. We also have all the other accessories needed to do the application. We have the clean sheets, which is used to mix the Waylock II on. We have the cleaner, which is used to prepare the surface prior to the application. We have the simple to read instructions. Along in this kit is going to be the resin, the hardener, and the serrated edge, which is used to apply the right amount of adhesive. If you have any other questions with the applications, please give us a call. Today's application is on a gib, but this can be applied to any metal surface that needs Turkite B. Here we have a clean sheet ready to mix the Waylock II on. We are taking small equal amounts of the resin and the hardener and folding them into each other. This will be a 1-to-1 ratio. Do not mix more than 300 grams at a time. We are looking for a honey consistency when mixed correctly. The gib and the Turkite B have been thoroughly cleaned. Turkite B has two sides. The chemically etched side, which is brown to black in color, is what you apply the Waylock II on. The greenish-blue side is the slideway side. Using the serrated edge, apply the Waylock II onto the Turkite B. This will ensure the adhesive evenly coats the surface. You will do the same process on the gib. Take the gib to a flat surface and apply weight. We are using clamps to adhere this piece of Turkite B to the gib. If you cannot take it off the machine to clamp the Turkite B to it, you may use weights to create the correct pressure to adhere the Turkite B. Here we see the Waylock II excess squeezed out between the Turkite B and the gib. Once we take off the clamps and/or weights, we will check to see if there are any voids or air pockets, ensuring the surface is solid. Check the Turkite B on all the edges to ensure the adhesion of the Turkite B. We will trim as needed the excess Turkite B, and we will have a ready-to-install gib. All of these products shown in this video are available here at Devitt Machinery. Give us a call or send us an email.